One mother elephant stood alone, digging. Not with tools, not with plans, just with faith. The sun was merciless, the riverbed dry as bone. Hours passed. And then a small trunk joined hers, her calf, too young to dig deep, but determined to help. Water was found by the sand. She could now drink. The water she was desperately looking for. Soon afterwards, the child joins the mother, benefiting from the water to quench her thirst. Subsequently, the herd approached one by one, silent giants, thirsty and tired. All benefited from the water, all thanks to one mother.